In this video, I will show how to write above a line in Google Docs. There are three methods. First one, format, paragraph style, border and shading. Select the bottom border, select the border width and border style and apply. Now paste your text or type your text. Now type or paste your text here. Second method, insert table. Select the square table, paste your text. Now type your text here. If you see the underline, so select and remove underline. Now select the border by pressing Ctrl and select. Now here select the color as a white and you can increase border thickness. Like this. And third method, write your text and keep the underline here. Thanks for watching.